Reading Rocket!
Penguins, Penguins Everywhere by Bob Barner. Some penguins live in icy places, and some live in the heat. Their colors help them hide when they fish for fishy treats. Cold penguins huddle close with penguin heat to share. Daddies warm fragile eggs with tender, special care. Hot penguins fluff their feathers to cool off from the sun. Their chicks call out from shady caves to ask for food and fun. Noisy penguins waddle and toboggan to the sea. Each one honks to find its mate wherever it may be. Penguins watch for sneaky seals as they swim and splash and play. Sleepy little penguins end another perfect day. Penguin Puzzler. Who eats penguins? Sharks, lizards, octopuses, seals, snakes, gulls, and orcas. What do penguins eat? Krill, squid, and fish. What do penguins say? Honk honk. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Yak, 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 yak. How do penguins move? Dive, tiptoe, waddle, waddle, waddle. Why do penguins look the way they do? In the water, black feathers blend in with the ocean bottom. This makes it hard for hungry penguin eaters to see the penguins from above. White feathers blend in with the light-colored sky so hungry penguin eaters can't spot penguins from below. Penguin Parade. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for regular uploads. If you'd like your own copy of this book, check the link below. If you have a favorite book you'd like read, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Until next time, friends!